I have some exciting news, Cloud Miners. I partnered with Tangem, the crypto cold storage wallet, as an affiliate. And I wouldn't want to promote anything that I don't use. But even before this partnership was offered to me, I had actually purchased my own Tangem wallet. So funny enough that when they offered me the partnership, they offered to give me a free Tangem wallet to try out. I obviously didn't need that. I have it right here. So let's unbox it. So let's just taking the plastic off. You can see it comes in a little box here. And you can see that it comes with two cards. So you can see where it says scan card or ring. So we're going to click that. And what it says is to hold the card or ring as shown above until the end of the operation. So let me hold the card and see what happens. So afterwards, you can see where it says it'll generate your keys privately. The keys are securely generated inside the chip. There's no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. So at this point, let's click Create Wallet. And again, it's asking us to put our card right to the wallet. So let's do that real quick. And once that's done, it's going to ask me to put a backup device. I'm just going to use my second card. I'll do that off screen and come right back. And after putting in my second card, the same way I put in my first card, I'm going to click Finalize Backup. And you can see that once you finalize your backup, you can't add any more devices. I just bought two, but you can buy three or more, so there is that option. So I'm going to click Continue. And at this point, it's asking me to create an access code, which is obviously blocked, so let's go past that. And at this point, it's asking me to scan my backup card. So let's click Scan Card. And you'll see it's ready to scan, so let's put the card to the back of the phone. You can see 15 seconds, so let's skip ahead. And now it's asking me to scan my primary card, so let's click Scan Card. And then it's coming up ready to scan. See right here, put the card up to it. And 15 seconds, we'll come back in just a second. And after that, it looks like we're in. It says Manage Tokens up here. I think I'm just going to click Continue. Use my biometrics, that uses my fingerprint to log in, pretty simple. And now that I'm officially in the app, I talked to my affiliate representative who gave me my official referral code. You can see it's tangem.com/invite/cloudminingpro. You'll save 10% off on any wallet purchases using that affiliate link. So like I said before, I bought that Tangem wallet well before I was affiliated with it. Why did I choose Tangem over other cold storage wallets, and why choose cold storage over like an exchange like Coinbase? Well, first thing, with an exchange like Coinbase or a trust wallet, that Bitcoin or your crypto isn't really yours until you actually withdraw it. And what I really mean by that is that exchanges are susceptible to hacks. It's happened to Coinbase before. If someone comes in and hacks that Bitcoin out of an exchange, that Bitcoin was never truly yours, was it? And the only real advantage that Coinbase or other exchanges have, if they have the option, is the Lightning Network. And for a channel like mine, that's obviously still very important. So I'll still be using Coinbase for my Lightning withdrawals, but for anything big, it's going straight to my Tangem wallet. And now why Tangem over hardware wallets? You can see on the left that the cheapest is $59.90, and with the 10% discount, that ends up being $49.41. And you saw earlier, these cards are very durable. They're supposed to last about 25 years. They're waterproof. You put them somewhere safe. It's really small. You have two of them in case you do lose one. You do have a backup. And most other cold storage wallets aren't going to have the low entry fee of $49.41. So if you're a beginner, this is a fairly affordable price. I've seen other wallets cost well over $150, $200. And to me, that's just a very big entry fee unless you have a ton of crypto. And just looking through some of the features that I liked, a lot of these cold storage wallets have seed phrases, and it is an option if you do want it. But because you have that chip, that's like in a credit card, government facilities use it apparently, that'll hold your seed phrase. You don't need that. And really the whole point of it is to be beginner friendly and make it as easy as possible. You don't have to remember everything. Just make sure you secure your card in a safe place and you'll be good to go. And like I mentioned before, the whole point of these cold storage wallets is to avoid phishing, malware attacks, anything that can affect an exchange where you could potentially lose your Bitcoin or your crypto. So now I've talked about it enough, let's see it in action. I'm going to transfer most of my Bitcoin from my Coinbase to my Tangem wallet. So on my Tangem wallet, I'm going to click Bitcoin, and then I'm going to click Receive, and I'm going to copy my address, and then I'm going to head to my Coinbase wallet. So in my Coinbase wallet, I'm going to click Crypto, and then I'm going to click Bitcoin, and then at the bottom, I'm going to click Transfer, and then click Send Crypto. And as you can see, I have a little over 0.012 Bitcoin, so that's what I'm going to put in. And then I'm going to click Preview. And after confirming the preview, I've sent $724.76 worth of Bitcoin to my Tangem wallet. In less than 10 minutes, you can see the Bitcoin directly into my Tangem wallet. Clicking Bitcoin, you see the transaction happened in my world 5 minutes ago. Next, let's do a withdrawal from GoMining. This is a cloud mining channel after all. So in Bitcoin, we're going to go to receive, and then we're going to copy our address. And then in GoMining, in the wallet, we're going to click withdrawal. Next, we're going to click Bitcoin. We're going to do it within 24 hours because it's a pretty big fee. And then we're going to delete our address and paste that copied address. Next, I'm going to max out a little over 0.00012. Going to save my default address, so it's going to send to Tangem from now on. And then after getting my 6-digit code from my email, my GoMining withdrawal has been created. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll see the Bitcoin in my Tangem wallet. And coming back the next day, you can see the transfer from GoMining straight to my Tangem wallet. And that's pretty much it as far as the simple functions of the app and the wallet. There are some ways you can earn from the app, but I want to actually take a deep dive into it before I present that. And if I think there's anything worth showing off to you that's worth your time, I'll let you all know as soon as possible. But I just want to say I'm extremely appreciative of Tangem. This is my first partnership of any kind. You guys know I don't take any sponsorships or direct payments from any of the cloud mining apps. Keep these as unbiased as possible. But this is something I actually bought before the sponsorship was offered to me, which I thought was pretty cool. They do have some cool stats, like 6 million separate cards created. They're supported in over 230 countries. So if you want to upgrade your crypto game, Tangem is definitely a good choice. And if you use my link, which is in the description, you get 10% off your wallet purchases. So something like this is new and exciting for me. And I couldn't have done it without all of you who watch my videos and make it all happen. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.